Hey guys, welcome back. Like I said, I'm still working on kind of reorganizing all the Trinitrons I have, kind of pushing stuff back and getting stuff out that's not mine or that's mine and stuff. I'm not going to go into the details, there's an update video about it. But we have a 90s Sony Trinitron to show off today. So this is a 27-inch model. I believe the specific one was built in 1991. I don't know how long the model ran off the top of my head. And we have some basic stuff. Unfortunately, it looks like it might be a little rough. I'm going to let it run a little bit, but you can kind of hear that and see that it's really wobbly. I was using this one in my living room for a little bit, but after I reorganized some stuff, I kind of got moved back here. I don't remember quite having these issues, but I don't think I ever made a video on it. So this is the KV-27. Let me actually check the back and then give you the right model number then, before I go into that and say the improper thing. So we're going to zoom in, look at the front panel, kind of go over that, and we'll get to it. I make that a little better. Swip over to the video. That is not as wobbly. So I don't know if the RF is getting some kind of weird interference, since even though all cable satellite TV and stuff has been shut off in the US for a while, I get some weird interference in my area for some reason. I don't know why. Alright, we have a pretty basic front. There's for the IR sensor. Tells multi-channel TV sound. So I believe that refers to the one thing on the back. We have stereo, a speaker on both sides. Both sound pretty decent from what I remember. Power button, channel up and down, volume up and down, and then TV video. I think I have the remote for this hidden somewhere. I don't know where it's at. I'll look that up and tell it if I recall. I might not. I've been a bit busy lately, so we'll go to the back real quick. Alright, so this is a KV-27TS27. So this is a little newer than that one I showed from the 80s. This specific one was made in October 1991, 60 Hz. We're in North America. That's pretty much consistent throughout consumer sets. We have the regular place to put the power cable. It looks like there's some scruffs. I don't know if this is paint, because it's a different color of the plastic. I think it is paint. Oh, I think I know what it is. Yeah. For this unit, we have it pretty basic on the back. Nothing too spectacular, especially for the era. We have one VHF UHF input, which is a coaxial cable, which people use for cable or antenna or satellite TV, depending on where you lived. And then we have composite video and RCA Stereo. Left channel is mono, like usual. We also have analog video out, or I'm sorry, analog audio out. So we have stereo audio. You could run this out to a receiver unit and have the TV play the audio through that instead of the main speakers, which is really neat if you have a good receiver. I do have a couple of 90s receivers that would go nice with this. I just don't have the place to set them up right now. So if that comes, I'll get to it. I am using a stand that's built for a much bigger Trinitron, but it will definitely do for this. So let's take a look at the front again, and I'll decide something to plug into it, and we'll check it out. So to kind of keep things error correct, and because the PlayStation 1 was not released in 1991, I will be using a Super Nintendo. So we're going to be using composite. I'm not going to be bothering RF in this because I do not have a proper RF adapter for this at the moment. Oddly enough, it's really weird. I'm going to plug it in real quick and we'll check out how composite looks. Alright, so I am using Street Fighter as an example because it's the only Super Nintendo game I own at the moment. Unfortunately, it looks like both of my controllers I have do have bad D-pads. So we're going to just use this as kind of more of a visual showcase of the pixel art. Please just ignore the gameplay on my end. Well, there you have it, guys. This is the KV-27, as in 27-inch screen, TS27. I'm just giving a basic overview. Your mileage may vary depending on the condition of the unit you find. This one's having a little weird thing with RF, but unless you're using like an Atari or like a Sega Master System or something really old, in pretty much any case, you're better with composite in general. So there you have it. Hope you guys like the overview. Expect some more soon. I'll probably get one done within the next week. We'll put this one in the background for now. Just kind of enjoy it. So stay safe, take care. See you guys again soon. Bye for now.